Hello, hello, hello. Good morning to you all. Good morning, my family, my beautiful people. I celebrate you all. Good morning. You guys are so wonderful. So today I promise of coming to talk about our dressing code in marriages. In marriage. Me, I always use myself as an example. Before I thought I am the most I don't know how to call it. I said, I know it all. Let me just use that word. Meanwhile, I never know it all. And secondly, before I got into marriage, my mother told me that when you get to married, you have to be using wrapper. You cover yourself. That is what makes you to be a married woman. That one, the man will respect you. People will respect you. That was how my mother taught me. And really, when I was even growing up, my even till tomorrow, our dressing code in my home is to cover yourself very well. If you wear anything like short skirt, short knicker, tight, oh my God, they are against it. Especially my mother, because she's really a born again Christian. She don't like all those dressing. But myself, I like those dressing. So God be the glory. As I was growing, God started opening my eyes. But in a nutshell, the more you are growing, the more you are seeing things. I got married, I was like closing myself, tying myself like a real married woman. That was where I was almost throwing away my marriage. Okay? Allow your husband to tell you what he likes. If your husband say he like this kind of hair, make sure you do it. Since it's not by maybe I'm making noise or I'm boasting. Since I got married to my husband, is the one doing all those things. Is the one. If he sees anything that he likes in a woman, he will go to that shop and pick it for me. I'm not saying it so that people will think, she can lie. No, that is the truth. You see any haircut, any color of any hair we like, he must say, see that hair when I see, oh my God, I love that hair. Or a lady just passed and he saw the hair, you'll say, my wife, you don't see that hair fine. No. I say, you like her? Yes, now that's the way you want to do now. That's style. I say, okay, no problem. That's why you are seeing me with different kind of hairstyle. Me, I can leave my hair for 10 years self. I'm not saying that. But my husband, when you look on cats, he can never look on you. You irritate him. Same goes to other men too. It might not be all the men. Some men out there. But you might not know. You understand? Some people are saying, as a married woman, you need to cover yourself. You need to do this. I say, yes, but now waiting my husband like now they do for her. Even sometimes when we are outside, I always say it. As I say my husband say he like the thing, what me I do? If me throw away my husband, you'll give me your own. The answer is no. Even my girlfriends, they always say, Mama, daddy they win you. I say, make it they win now. What to say make I do? One day, there is one woman I jealous in this city. In this city I am, in Toulouse here. Since I know this woman, she's always on makeup. Me, I'm not kind of a woman that like, it's not that I don't like makeup, but I don't have that time. I'm not used to it. Let me just use that word. I'm not used to it. There are things you are used to, but for that, I am not used to it. I use makeup occasionally. Maybe I am going for maybe a public place or a party or occasion that at least you need to look good so that people will not say, there is difference between when they go farm and they go farm. The dressing code, they're different. My people will not talk truth. So that is it. If you dress some kind of dress from my husband's house, he go leave you. You see? Do you know that one day my friend saw me, I was coming from, he said, Mama, what did they happen? See, my friend oh my God, I don't know what to call her. She's God sent to me. I always call her my angel. He said, Mama, what did they happen? I said, the way you be. What did they happen? Ah, you know, just a try. Now packaging. See, as she tell me, I reach us the next day, now I package. As I dey dress, I come and my husband say, hey, but I said, somebody talk to you. I said, what do you mean by that? Now you just call my friend name. I said, how do you know? Because you know they dressed like this before. Thank God. I did that thing for 1 week. After 1 week, I see drop. He called me back. What happened, madam? So for you to know the kind of what a man likes, he likes it. When you are not looking sexy, romantic, this man will cower. But it's not all men. Some men, they don't even send you. But they like it when they see other women doing it. Even before they toast you, before they got married to you. Look at the kind of dress you dressed before he saw you. Yes, if you can remember, be giving your husband that kind of taste. Don't turn yourself to bag of gari because of all the name of marriage. Okay? Because if they go outside, they have eyes outside. That's why some pastors, they call them pussycats. Men are what? Pussycats. Thank you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay? Subscribe and share. And click the notification bell so that whenever I upload, you will like it. You will notify that, yes, I have sent my video. So that you will be the first person to be notified. Okay? Turn the notification bell and subscribe if you have not. If you have done that, God bless you. And if you have not done that, what are you still waiting for? Do your sister a favor. Do your friend a favor. Let's go. Let's go. Okay? Thank you. I love you. Ciao.